Hello students, today we shall discuss the sentence. So what is a sentence? A group of words so arranged as to produce a complete sense is a sentence. So we have the definition on the board. A group of words so arranged as to make a complete sense. So what's special about the definition is a sentence is a group of words. So does a group of words alone can make a complete sense? Not every time. So what is special in the case is the second point over here, that they should be arranged to produce a complete sense. That proper arrangement will make the group of words produce a complete sense. When we shift the language, let's explain the matter in Hindi. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जो पूरा पूरा मतलब प्रकट करता हो उसे हम वाक्य कहते हैं. सेंटेंस उसी चीज को इंग्लिश में हम द सेंटेंस को डिफाइन कर रहे हैं यहां पे, हिंदी में उसे वाक्य कहते हैं. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जो पूरा पूरा मतलब प्रकट करता हो. पूरा पूरा मतलब का संदर्भ यहां पर यह है कि शब्दों का जाल ऐसा बुना जाना चाहिए, उनको ऐसे व्यवस्थित करना चाहिए कि वे पूरा पूरा मतलब प्रकट करें. जैसे हम अभी देखते हैं एग्जांपल्स को. वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश, so we can put the things in case in another way. Let's start. Are learning English and we. This all the words are here, but these jumbled words are not enough to give you a complete sense. ये जो वर्ड्स हैं इधर उधर बेतरतीब ढंग से सजाए हुए हैं, इसीलिए इनसे पूरा पूरा मतलब प्रकट नहीं हो रहा है. हम दूसरे सेंटेंस को देखेंगे. लेट्स सी. आई एम अ टीचर. आई एम अ टीचर. सो वी पुट देम in a disorder. Let's see. I am a teacher. am I teacher. Okay. Now full stop over here. So am I teacher. Again the same mistake is there, that they have not been arranged properly. इन्हें सही क्रम में सजाया नहीं गया है, इसीलिए इन्हें इन शब्दों के समूह को वाक्य नहीं कहा जा सकता. So these are merely jumbled words, they are not sentence. Again, we have to define we have already defined it. So let's move on to types of sentences. So they can be defined into four groups. The groups rather. So the first one is declarative sentence or the simple type. Second one is interrogative. The third one is exclamatory, and the fourth one is imperative sentence. So move on to the first one. This is declarative sentence. So what is a declarative sentence? Simple statement is a declarative sentence. So I am a teacher, you are honest, it's not a joke, all are declarative sentences. What about interrogative? Interrogative sentence is used to interrogate or to ask a question. And the third one, I must give you an example. So, who are you? Is an interrogative sentence. How are you? Is an interrogative sentence. What are you doing? Is an interrogative sentence. And then the third one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion. So, oh, he is dead. Ouch, I am hurt. What a beautiful scenery. All are exclamatory sentences. So, the fourth one is imperative sentence. So, entities, commands and requests fall under this category. They fall under this category. And then we have sentences, no doubt. The first one, please give me a glass of water. Or, sit down there. It's a command. And the first one was a request, a friendly one perhaps. So when you tell somebody to do something, that will fall under this category of sentences. So it is called imperative sentence. Thank you. I will come up with a new video next time. Meanwhile, happy learning.